Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joshnika. I am from grade 7. Today, my topic is about disaster management. Contents: Introduction, Timeline, Conclusion, and Acknowledgement. Introduction: Disaster management is a process of affecting preparation for responding to disasters. It involves strategically organizing resources to lesser than harm than disaster cause. It also involves a systematic approach to managing the responsibility of disaster preventions. Timeline of disaster management in 2000. The floods began with increasing rain across South Africa and Switzerland in floods February-March 2000. Time in 2001. An earthquake measured 7.7 on the Richter scale hit Gujarat in 2011. In 2003, Bihar is affected by floods and so far its districts have been affected by the floods. In 2004, India Ocean tsunamis. The tsunamis killed people across 2,25,000. Timeline in 2005. It occurs just 1 month after the June 2005 Gujarat floods. 2007. In 2007, 414 natural disasters were reproduced. They killed 1,647 people in Gujarat. In 2008, mega disaster occurred: cyclones in Myanmar and the earthquakes in China. 2009. The 2009 India floods affected various states of India in July 2009, killing at least 36 people in Odisha and etc. In 2015, Nepal earthquake, April 2015. 2016. The 4 costless natural disasters in 2016 were fluid in China. In 2007, the including Harvey, Hurricane Iran, and Hurricane cost $95 billion respectively. In 2019, Bihar floods are occurred in India, Karnataka, Kerala, Mumbai, and overall the country. In 2000, cyclone in the zone cyclone struck the western coastal of the country, walking landfall in Maharashtra. Conclusion: It is important to understand man-made disaster now that they can cause irreversible damage, and it is an act of ourselves who are causing this disaster because of our ignorance. Any queries? Disaster management is the discipline of dealing with and avoiding both natural and man-made disasters. Floods. Most important is always keep first aid kit in the house, public, private vehicles, and workplace. What is disaster? A disaster is a serious problem occurs over a short or long period of the time. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher. Thank you.